Dolphins are one of the most beloved wildlife animals in the world. Their unique, intelligent, playful nature captures people's hearts everywhere. Dolphins can be found in oceans, rivers, and other aquatic habitats worldwide, including parts of the Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Oceans. Dolphins have a sleek and streamlined body shape with dorsal fins on their backs. Their bodies are mostly gray with white or pink bellies and flippers. Depending on the species, they can range from 4 to 9 feet long and weigh anywhere from 50 to 500 pounds. Some species also have distinct markings, such as stripes or spots, that help them stand out. The diet of dolphins depends on their habitat and species. Most dolphins feed on small fish such as anchovies, sardines, herring, and mackerel. However, some species also eat squid or crustaceans like crabs and lobsters. In some cases, dolphins may feed on larger prey such as sharks or rays. They use echolocation to track down food sources in murky waters where visibility is low. Dolphins live in saltwater and freshwater environments throughout much of the world's oceans, seas, and rivers, depending on the species. Some types of dolphins inhabit coastal waters, while others live mainly in deep waters far from shorelines or nearby islands. Furthermore, some types prefer warmer climates, while others thrive in cold climates with icy waters. Yet, all will migrate seasonally to find food or suitable mating grounds for reproduction. Dolphins are highly social animals who communicate with one another through sound waves produced by clicking noises they make underwater, creating what is known as porpoising. Dolphins usually congregate in groups called pods that consist of between 2 to 30 individuals, but sometimes hundreds can be within a single pod at once. This behavior has demonstrated that these animals possess complex problem-solving skills rivaling those seen in primates or crows. Other behaviors include creating bubble trails when swimming near the surface, which helps confuse potential predators so they don't get eaten during feeding or attempting to escape danger. They also use playtime activities such as chasing after seabirds for fun or using objects like seaweed strands as tools when hunting for fish. Human activities have put dolphins at risk of extinction worldwide, and it's time to act. Dolphins face environmental pollutants in their ecosystems, a lack of food caused by rampant overfishing, and cruel hunting practices that are still taking place illegally. In addition, they're highly vulnerable when oil spills occur. Without our help, these gentle creatures may soon disappear forever. Within each pod, there is an intricate hierarchy system that allows smaller groups consisting of mothers and calves, which are referred to as nurseries, to remain safe from predation until they become more independent themselves at around 2 years old before joining larger groups full of unrelated juveniles and adults who often engage in cooperative activities like hunting together for better success rates. These family-like bonds between relatives and non-relatives alike are incredibly strong, with older female members taking responsibility over younger generations. At the same time, males may act territorial, protecting their group against intruders coming into their territories either by producing loud vocalizations known as barks or by engaging in physical combat through jaw-locking and tail-slapping behaviors between rivals trying to gain dominance over each other's territory. One of the more common types of dolphins is the bottlenose dolphin. These dolphins have a curved snout with an upper jaw filled with numerous small teeth. They inhabit warm coastal waters throughout the world and can be found in shallow glasses of water and depths up to 600 meters or 2,000 feet. Bottlenose dolphins have been observed living in groups ranging in size from just a few individuals to hundreds or even thousands. The average lifespan for these animals is between 20 to 30 years in the wild, but some have been known to reach up to 50 years old. Another type of dolphin is the spinner dolphin. These smaller-sized animals typically live near shore in warmer tropical waters, such as those found off Hawaii or Mexico. They are characterized by their slender bodies and long beaks, which contain rows of conical teeth for catching food like fish or squid. Spinner dolphins also possess impressive acrobatic skills that allow them to leap up to 10 feet or 3 meters high from the water. The conservation status for most species of dolphins is currently listed as vulnerable by IUCN Red List. In recent years, there has been an increased focus on protecting wildlife and preserving animal habitats, which has led to improved protection measures for many species of wildlife, including dolphins. Some threats that still put these animals at risk include illegal fishing practices and pollution caused by runoff from agricultural activities or industrial waste products entering their habitats. Regarding scientific classifications, there are two main families: baleen whales, Mysticeti, and toothed whales, Odonticeti. Dolphins belong to this latter family, along with killer whales, belugas, and sperm whales. Within this family, there are over 70 species, including everything from narwhals, an Arctic species, down south to hourglass dolphins located around Antarctica. Scientists have identified different types of sounds made by other dolphin species, including barks, which may be used when communicating distress signals, and low-frequency humming noises that help them keep track of each other while swimming in large groups. Each species produces unique vocalizations ranging from clicks and squeaks through whistle-like sounds similar to birdsong. It's clear why so many people find these beautiful sea creatures fascinating. Their physical attributes make them eye-catching, and their incredible intelligence makes them one of nature's most remarkable gifts. Their ability to communicate with various sounds allows humans to connect with wildlife on a deeper level than ever before. We must continue researching ways to protect these beloved animals so future generations can enjoy learning about wildlife too.
Please subscribe to our channel for more wildlife educational videos and animal facts.